Welcome back to another new video. Has it ever happened to you that you went out with your friends or family, clicked a great photo, and now you want to post it on Instagram? But when it's time to post, you need a good caption and trending hashtags, and you don't have enough time to think of one or search for trending hashtags yourself. Well, I've got the perfect solution for you. Today, I'll show you how to find the perfect captions and hashtags for your photos in just a few minutes. How to find the perfect captions. First, you need to visit this website. Here, you'll find captions categorized into different sections. Choose the category that suits your photo. For example, I'll click on the Attitude category. As you can see, multiple captions are available. Just pick the one you like the most, copy it, and paste it into your Instagram post. How to find trending hashtags. Now that we have the captions, we also need hashtags. For this, visit another website where you simply enter the topic of your post. For instance, if I went on a trip and clicked a photo, my topic would be travel. I'll enter travel here, and you can see that plenty of related hashtags have appeared. Just click the copy button and paste these hashtags into the caption section of your Instagram post. The links to both websites are provided in the video description. If you liked this video, don't forget to hit the like button. That's all for today. See you in the next video with a new topic.